Northeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Knoxville, or 6 miles southeast of Harmony, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Knoxville, Bermuda Run, Coolamy, Harmony, Fork Church, Advance, Turnersburg, Sheffield, Farmington and Cool Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Davie, Iredell and Rowan. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davie County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Iredell County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Knoxville,